Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we were into the Ferrari Magazine number 27. So this is the Ferrari Collection. We get a 143 scale car. If you haven't seen these before, I will have a look at this car closer to the end. This is the Ferrari 312 T4. We'll go through this magazine very briefly first. If you wish to read any of the articles, you will need to pause the video. But we're actually looking at the great victories. Ferrari in Brazil. Single seaters is the 312 T4 from 1979. Production models in this particular magazine is the 330 GT 2+2. And the poster is the 312 T4 taking Scheckter to the title. Having hosted Formula One racing ever since the early 1970s, Brazil has played a major role in the outcome of several F1 championships involving Ferrari. The Rio years. Not going to read all of that though, but you can. Mansell's unexpected win. In 1989 Brazilian Grand Prix, the 26th of March, Nigel Mansell, who had just joined the Ferrari team, won in a Ferrari F189. Driving car number 27. The Englishman is here seen during the race. Forgot Nigel Mansell drove Ferrari. Ferrari's winners in Brazil. 76, Lauda. 77, Reitman, or Reitman, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and 78. Nigel Mansell in 89. Prost in 90. Schumacher in 2000 and 2002. Massa in 2006. Raikkonen in 2007. And Massa again in 2008. Yeah. Born to lay down the law. This is the 312. Early in March 1979, the Kyalami circuit in South Africa held the third GP in the 79 F1 World Championship. This is setting the debut for the Ferrari 312 T4. I'm not going to keep going through that, but you can. Though not aesthetically attractive, the 312 T4 was impressive on the track due to its boxer engine. Yeah. Yeah, it's got this weird lip across the front. This part here. The great Ferraris. Mini skirts and wings. Yeah, that's what it was like, wasn't it? Do have a poster here of it. Very nice. I don't take my posters out. I leave them in. Also have the other side has a bit and a technical drawing of the vehicle. So the engine is a rear 180 degree flat 12. Just under 3 litres, 515 horsepower at 12,300 RPM, would have sounded wonderful. Revving up there. Scheckter becomes world champion. The power and reliability of the 312 T4 boxer engine and the excellence of the Michelin radial tyres enable Ferrari to secure 6 victories over the season. Nice. So Villeneuve in first at South Africa and West USA, but Scheckter second. Belgium was Scheckter. Monaco was Scheckter. French was Villeneuve. Austrian was Villeneuve. Dutch was Scheckter. Italian was Scheckter, and second was Villeneuve. Man, they dominated that year, didn't they? Canadian was Villeneuve, and USA was Villeneuve. Obviously enough for Scheckter to win. Well done. All right, moving on to other cars. This is the 330 GT 2+2, which we do have a die-cast vehicle, I believe, of this. Quite nice. Weird roof. I don't remember having one like that. I might have to check my shelves again. I thought mine was all one colour. Not necessarily this weird shape. When I go and finish making this video and put my car back on the shelf, I'll go and check. But it has a front longitudinal 60 degree V12, 3.964.4, so it's just under 4 litre, 300 brake horsepower at 7,000 RPM, top speed at 230 or 143 mile an hour. Look, for a wagon, it's not bad, is it? Yeah. All right, coming up in the next part will be the Dino 156 F1 model. So this is the 1961 Formula One car. So looks like we're going to go for another Formula One car. And posters. I will have that one out shortly. Put that one aside for now. Let's have a look at the car in a little more detail. Got some decent sponsorship on this one. Put my hand there, otherwise we're going to focus on the board there. Got our Fiat, Ferrari, Schechter's names on this particular model. Nice. Rear wings, got the Michelin. See if I can get more light there. There we go. The rear, we've got our white exhaust over the top. Looks like a red light at the back there. Well done. Underneath, very little, other than the Made in China 143 Ferrari 312 T4. So very little there. Front wing with that skirt thing again. Blue seat belts. Yeah, look, I'll put it on a turntable. We'll have a closer look. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll have, I think there's actually 84. I looked it up, 84 of these magazines, and I will have them out weekly. We may have a couple for a few weeks until we catch up with the Formula One magazine that I'm going through as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.